go. So September 15th, sweet words. Pleasant words are like a honeycomb, sweetness to the soul and health to the bones. Proverbs 16:24. Have you ever been around someone who was so cynical that you could not handle being with them for more than a little bit of time? No one wants to be that person. There's a difference between having a bad day and habitually pointing out the negative. There's a way to operate in sympathy and awareness of reality and not be hopeless within it. Pleasant words are like a honeycomb. Encouragement builds us up. Life-giving words are sweet and strong. They can bring healing to our hearts. Words matter. How we speak about each other is significant. May we be people who use our words wisely, not just spouting off what others say. May our hearts be full of the life of Jesus. For out of the overflow of our hearts, our mouth speaks. Okay, yeah. And then the prayer is, sweet Jesus, I want to take my cues from you in every area. You did not deride or put down others when you spoke with them. You are so patient and loving. May the kindness of my speech begin in the kindness of my heart. Transform me in your love, and my words will be sweet divine honey. Amen.
Amen.
All right, it's game day. Let's get it.
How you feeling?
Game day. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Big check.
The blue beats. Shirt. Vape shirt. Got these shorts. Ooh. Shoes. Ready to go. Ready to go. Ready to go.
Y'all see the blue?
Yeah.
The blue?
Specifically tied so they're slip-ons. You know what I'm saying?
Slip-ons. Mister, put that on. Alrighty. Hello guys. So this is my outfit for today's game. I'm eating some quick lunch because it's time to go. It's like some Spam and Soupy. It's like seaweed, rice, and Spam. It's like a quick little lunch snack. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's so good. This is my outfit for today. So, I like to have a little snack when he gets off the field. So, between this and my camera, I'm not sure what to bring. It's just a lot. I don't want to have to carry a lot. We made it. They just got a touchdown on our side. Oh, bet. There we go. We have the game with it. We basically are killing them. Okay? I wish we need some good D right here. You're doing pretty good though. That's why I want to see each week we get better, you know? Ah! Ooh! Three people to get you back. Like, what is 20 doing? He's so tall. What team we on? Get him. Ow. Hit 32.
What's going on? What's up? You good? Yeah, I'm stinky.
Yay! I like it.
Yeah, that's nice.
Oh, the camera was in it.
Yeah.
How you feel?
I'm feeling good. Yeah. Hungry?
Yeah, I got some spam soupy at the crib.
Ooh, okay, yeah. What's going on, vlog? You see what it is. We out here in Narashino, you know.
2020 who?
2025 season. You see how we do it, you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned. It only goes up from here, you know what I'm saying?
It's my baby's first game back, and you got a what?
Yeah, we got that dub.
You got a what?
Yeah, we.
You gonna eat because my man won.
You know, we gotta get that yakiniku. We gotta get that protein, that rice in.
Come on, let's show you the spot.
Yeah, I'm trying to get something big, I'll tell you.
So this guy's watching his film before we can even eat over the game today. They did a really good job. Shout out to MVP and the team all together because this is his first game back actually playing, and they had another game but they was injured, and we prayed and God healed his hamstring, so thank God for that. And we're gonna say our prayers. Ready?
Oh, by the songs and stuff like that?
We made it! Where we at, baby?
Yeah, you already know where we at, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. We got the beach, we got the beach.
We just made it, so now we're about to walk. We can already feel the air. So let's get it. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. You're not about to get copyrighted, but y'all, we see the Tokyo sky tree.
Yeah, I see the view.
It's so beautiful.
Feet in the sand, feet in the sand.
Yeah, we've been waiting for this for so long.